Scientific debate. Despite the IAU's decision, not everyone was convinced it was the right call. Many scientists and astronomers questioned whether the new definition of a planet was too rigid. They argued that the IAU's definition failed to take into account important features of celestial bodies like Pluto, which has its own moons, a complex atmosphere, and even signs of active geology. Pluto isn't just a small rock floating around, it's a fascinating world, complete with a rich history and mysteries still waiting to be uncovered. Some scientists feel that the IAU's criteria for a planet should consider more than just whether a body has cleared its orbit. Shouldn't the planet's ability to sustain features like an atmosphere, weather patterns, or even geological activity be important? After all, Pluto's moons, including Charon, show evidence of tectonic activity, and its surface has been found to be much more dynamic than once thought. For many, Pluto's small size or its position in the outer solar system doesn't diminish its planetary qualities. One of the key figures in the debate is planetary scientist Alan Stern, who led NASA's New Horizons mission to Pluto. Stern and many others believe that Pluto deserves to be called a planet because it has so much more to offer than many of the other planets in our solar system. As Stern famously put it, a planet is a planet no matter where it is. And in many ways, this perspective calls for a broader, more inclusive definition of what constitutes a planet, one that focuses on the characteristics that make a world unique, rather than how much it clears its orbital path. The scientific community remains divided, with some advocating for Pluto's reinstatement, while others stand firm in the IAU's decision. This debate continues to fuel discussions about the nature of planets, and whether our understanding of the solar system is truly complete or still evolving.